Question number 1. The occupation number at room temperature of the electron state 0.1 electron volt above the Fermi energy and 0.1 electron volt below the Fermi energy, and the same answer for temperature 1000 Kelvin, and also sketch the Fermi function for the two temperature. You know the occupation number, it means that Fermi function is equal to 1 upon 1 plus e to the power e minus ef by kt when e is greater than ef, and 1 plus e to the power minus ef minus e kt when e is less than ef. Now according to the question, at a room temperature, you know the value of k bt. K is the Boltzmann constant. It is 8.62 10 to the power 5 electron volt per Kelvin into room temperature 300 Kelvin. Its value is 0.026 electron volt. Now the occupation number at a room temperature above the Fermi energy. Now the occupation number E equal to 1 plus 0.1 divided by 0.026, it will be equal to 0.02, and below the Fermi energy, the occupation number is equal to 1 plus minus e power 0.1 divided by 0.26, it will be equal to 0.98. Similar for at a temperature 1000, T is equal to 1000 Kelvin, the cavity is equal to 0.086 electron volt. Above the Fermi energy, the occupation is equal to 1 plus 0.1 divided by 0.086, it will be equal to 0.24, and below the Fermi energy, below the EF, it will be equal to 1 plus e to the power minus 0.1 divided by 0.086, it will be equal to 0.076. How to sketch it? You know very well, that is the Fermi occupation. E is equal to EF. It is at a room temperature. Sorry, T is equal to 0 Kelvin, not room temperature. T is equal to 0 Kelvin. Now at a room temperature, it will be equal to 3000 Kelvin. You know this value here. This one is 0.98, and this one is the 0.21. You know the range is here to here 0.1 electron volt, and here is 0.1 electron volt. Now when the temperature increases like that, This is a 1000 Kelvin. You can see the value is here is 0.76. Also this value is 0.24. That is the final answer of this. Question number 2. What is the temperature? Asking for temperature, and we 10% probability of the electron in the silver having energy which is 1% above the Fermi energy, and Fermi energy given at 5.5 electron volt. What is the mean of the 10% probability? It means that the Fermi function या occupation number is given to 10%, like that, and 1% above the Fermi energy. It means that E minus EF is equal to 1% of EF. It means that EF divided by 100. It means that the value of the EF you know very well, 5.5 divided by 100, you will get 5.055 electron volt. Now you know the occupation number Fe above the Fermi energy is 1 upon a 1 plus exponentially term E minus EF divided by kVT when E is greater than EF. Now you know the value of the occupation energy is 10 upon 100 is equal to 1 plus e to the power x, where x is E minus EF divided by kVT. Now you solve the equation, you will get the result e to the power x is equal to 9, and you will get x is equal to 2.303 into log base 10 9, and you know the value of x. You know the value of the x is E minus EF divided by kVT is equal to 2.197, and you can write that T is equal to E minus EF divided by 2.197 into kV. You know the value of E minus EF? E minus EF is 0.055 divided by 2.197 into 8.62 10 to the power minus 5. This is the value of the Boltzmann constant in electron volt. You will get the answer is 290 Kelvin. It is the final answer of question. Question number 3. Mobility of the electron and hole is given at a room temperature. This one. And also given the resistivity of the specimens, and compute the forbidden energy bandgap. It means Eg. What the value of Eg? You know, with the help of two equation, we can calculate the value of Eg from this question. You know the conductivity of intrinsic conductivity is not this formula, and intrinsic concentration is C T to the power 3 by 2 E expressly term minus Eg by 2 kVT. Now value of the C is, you know, this is the value of the C is 4.83 10 to the power 21. Now from sigma I is equal to 1 upon a rho I. Rho I is given is 0.47. It will be equal to 2.12 per ohm per meter. Now when you know the value of the sigma, you know the value of the Ni. Sigma I divided by E mu E plus mu P. You know the value of sigma I and mu P and mu I is given by 2.12 divided by E is 1.6 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb, and mu E 0.17 plus 0.36, that is a mu E and mu P, and you will get the answer is 2.5 10 to the power 19 per meter cube. Now when you know the value of the Ni, you can calculate the value of exponential term Eg divided by 2 kBt is equal to Ct power 3 by 2 is Ni. Now the value of exponential term of Eg divided by 2 kBt is equal to 4.83 10 to the power 21 into T is room temperature 300 3 by power 2 divided by 2.5 into the power 19. Now the value of final value of exponential final value is Eg divided by 2 kBt is equal to 10 to the power 6. You know the value of Eg by 2 kBt. Eg by 2 kBt is equal to ln 10 to the power 6. And now final value of Eg is 12 kBt ln 10. And you know the kBt at a room temperature is 0.026 electron volt. Now the value of Eg is equal to 0.72 electron volt. It is the answer of your question. Question number 4. The germanium has a dopant type of impurity added to the extent of one atom 10 to the power 8 germanium atom required. It means that one impurity atom required 10 to the power 8 germanium atom. And what the effect does the have on the conductivity of the material at a room temperature? And given the value of mobility here and hole also, and also the intrinsic electron concentration after doping. Before doping, after doping, the mobility of the electron is slightly decreases, not big much differences. Now what is given in this question? T is equal to 300 Kelvin, and you know the energy band gap of the germanium is 0.67 electron volt. And also you know the value of 2 kBt at a room temperature is equal to 0.05 electron volt. And given the value of mu e is equal to 0.39 meter square volt per second, and volt per volt and per second. And the value of mobility of hole is 0.19 meter square per volt and per second. And also you know the value of C is, and also value of E is 1.6 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Now you know the value of Ni is C t to the power 3 by 2 exponentially term minus Eg divided by 2 kBt. You can calculate the value of Ni. You know the all the values. C is 4.8 into the power 21 into 300 3 by 2, and exponentially term value of Eg is given 0.67 divided by 0.05. You know the value of twice kBt, and the value of Ni is equal to 3.79 10 to the power 19 per meter cube. Now you know the value of sigma I is Ni A mu P plus mu E. Now calculate the value of sigma I. The sigma I, you will get the answer. You know the value of Ni 3.79 10 to the power 19. What is the value of E is 1.6 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb, and value of mobility of electron is 0.39, and mobility of hole is 0.19. You will get the value of sigma I is 3.53 per ohm per meter. Now you know the value of atomic mass of germanium. is equal to 7.2.6 u. 1 u is equal to 1.66 10 to the power 27 kg. It means that atomic mass of germanium is equal to 1.205 10 to the power 25 in kg. And also you know the density of the germanium. The density of the germanium is equal to 5.33 10 to the power 3 kg per meter cube. It means that 1 meter cube will contain 5.33 10 to the power 3 divided by 1.21 10 to the power 25 germanium atoms, and solve. You will get these values. You will get this value is equal to 4.4 into 10 to the power 28 per meter cube. It means that 10 to the power 8 germanium atoms required one impurity atoms. So you can calculate also 4.4 into 10 to the power 28 germanium atom required 4.4 into 10 to the power 20 impurities atoms. Now you know the value of it means that Nd is given 4.4 to the power 20 per meter cube. So you know the value of exchanging value of sigma is Nd E mu n. The value of the Nd is given is 4.42 10 to the power 20, and value of the E is 1.6 10 to the power minus 19, and also the value of mu n is 0.38. You will get the final answer of the conductivity exchanging conductivity after doping is 26.87 per ohm and per meter. It is the final answer of your